Alright guys, so welcome back everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Let's do a follow-up video today for the ROBOFOREX and let's see how we can withdraw some money and let's see how much profit we made from the best copy trader. I've been in this bad boy for the last 10 days, 11 days. And let me show you how much money I put and how much money I made. Now, thank you everybody for watching. We're going to live withdraw some money and let's see if this is working or not, okay? I already tested, and let's finish also on online how I can get the money from ROBOFOREX to ROBOFOREX, from ROBOFOREX, who has been here 12 years, to my MetaMask. Now, also remember, I did a video last week explaining how is everything working, how to get in and all this stuff, because this trader have history of over 475 trading days with over 1300% APR of profits, okay? So let's see first what I need to say. First one is, disclaimer, I'm not financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is only for education and entertainment purposes only. I'm just showing you my personal journey, your money, your issue, your problem. So don't put more money you can afford to lose, because you always need to spread the risk. Stay safe, use a ledger. If you want a ledger, by the way, if you decide to get one, the link is in the description. Also, tomorrow is coming amazing video from, or yesterday, it depends when you're watching this video, will be from my donation video. Watch that. It's going to take 5 minutes of your time. It's mean a lot to me. Okay, so let's go. First thing first. Now, the market, I'm not going to talk about the market today. We can see the Bitcoin is going down when I'm doing these videos. When you're watching, maybe it will be up, but we don't care for that. This is Forex, nothing to do with crypto. So this is, let's go and withdraw first some money. So if I go here, okay, let me go here. All right, so this is me. All right, this is my MetaMask right there, and you can see I have 0 BUSD. When I'm doing this video, I'm going to copy right now, okay, and I'm going to send some money, and then I will explain you the process, because it's going to take a few minutes to receive my money. I think so. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I'm going to advance cash. Okay, I'll explain you later on how to get in. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy crypto. Once you go to buy crypto, then you're going to use with wallet, okay? This is very important, with wallet. Now you go there to wallet. Then what you need to do is, I have 14 bucks, okay? And here you will see, let me just show you where I received my money first. There you go. You can see that I sent twice. So this is ROBOFOREX. I sent twice money. One last night, I sent 50 bucks to my Visa MasterCard, where I did deposit some money, and I'm still waiting. It's already 24 hours. It's going to take up to a couple of days. That's what they say. However, some of my guy told me use this one, these bad boys, okay? Because this is going to go back to my card. However, this is going to go back to my MetaMask. This is a little bit sneaky way to do this. So basically, this takes 2 hours. So I sent it earlier, okay? And when you go to advanced cash, right here, transaction history, you will see I received $9.9, okay? Just don't pay attention for this one. It was playing around with me a few days ago. If it's working, not working, then I open another account and I send here 9.9. So it's charged me 0.1 BUSD to send 10 bucks. For 100 bucks, for 1,000 bucks, I think it's going to charge only $1 or $2. So it's nothing. Then minimum to withdraw is like $11 from here, okay? 11 BUSD. So I sent 5 more bucks from a different account. So this is the money where I received. So now let's go and withdraw. So again, you go to send funds. Sorry, go to buy crypto. Then you go with wallet. And then what you need to do is, then this is my amount, correct? So I want to send $11, okay? We need to pick up here Binance USD BIP20. Don't forget that. This is copy paste my address from my MetaMask 18F4, and I'm going to receive 9.95. Okay, let's go back to my address. You will see here 18F4. I have 0. Okay, going back right there, and I need to continue. All right. The amount must be from 10 to 100 to, okay, I just need to put a little bit more. All right, so I just need to put a little bit more. Let me just put here 12 bucks. I hate doing things on camera because it's taking me so slow. Okay. Oh yeah. So this number need to be more than $10. All right. So continue. Then window confirmation. We send you email. Okay. I need to go to my email and confirm. Let me go there. Okay. I did confirm. Let me go continue. And payment confirmation. Is it okay or not? I guess yes. Probably. I hope so. Confirm. There we go. The funds has been successfully sent. Okay, that's about it. I'm going to receive 10.95. So let's go back now to my wallet, and probably it's going to take some time. So let's do the video now. Okay, let's see how much profit we made, and we're going to come back here to this wallet to see if we make any money, if we receive the money till I'm doing this video or not. Okay, because sometimes can take some time, but I think it's much faster with this one. Okay, so let's go and talk about the video. Okay, so let's go back. So Forex, ROBOFOREX, all right? So I have David, one of the best traders. So if you go to his Telegram group, okay, check this out. Okay, his last it was today. Okay, he announced today. So check this out. We finished the day with 0.32 profit. Okay, we finished the week with 7.37 profit. Maximum drawdown was 6.19 on Monday. However, they finished all the week with 7.37. Okay, that's in 5 days. Okay. He's saying I'm going to Bali and I'm going to do some things done. However, that's why he stopped this weekend. Okay, so he says it's been very strong performance. Also, the momentum of new investor is amazing. Now, short on my vacation, I'm going to go to Bali, and he says that sometimes he will try to trade, but maybe there will be days where he will not trade anything. Now, there are over 4,500 people already see this message. Okay, that's nice to see. Okay, he's always updating. Remember, he's always posting in German, so maybe you can translate, but this time he also posts in English because he is a German guy. Now let's see, the main stuff is how much money I did made. So if you go to accounts and account history, you will see that I put here $750. Okay, it's simple as that, and I made in 10 days. So here from the 21st of February, and I put there a little bit money, and then I top up after a couple of days, by the way. Okay, till 3/3, and that's today when I'm doing this video show, you will see that I make $200. Okay, if you compare this one, 1,750, 170.50 is 10%, and then we have one more percent, so around 11% I did profit. Okay, profit, of course he will need to take some part of the profit. I did in 11 days. That's exclude Saturday and Sunday. So after he takes some profits, I think it's 25-30%. So probably I'll be left with around 8-9% profit in about 11 days. And I think that's amazing because this is Forex trading. Okay, that is crazy. Okay, here you can see all the trades, how much he did, what he's buying, what he's selling. Okay, let's go and see him. Now if you want to get in here, all right, again, do your research, you will see that he already did 1,500% APR. It was last time when I did the video 11 days ago, it was 1,370%. Okay, now you will see that he have 14,782 people follow him. If you remember, last time there were 11,500. This time there are 14,782. I didn't even look this one for a week. There are 3,000 more people who are copy paste these trades. Okay, so if you want to get in, there are two ways how to get in. Okay, but this is just crazy, guys. This is sick and crazy. This guys is amazing. Now everybody asking, okay, I love the trader, that's great. However, ROBOFOREX is 12 years old. Is it scam or not? And I think let's find out together. Did I get my money or did I not? And there we go, my money are here. So while I'm doing this video, I didn't pause at all, so no pause. While I'm doing this video, I got my 10.95 bucks back to my MetaMask. This is the best way to get your money to your MetaMask. The baby is crying. I'm not sure if you can hear it. Okay, so there we go, guys. I'm happy. I got my money. So what is my plan, by the way? I want to top up more money. Okay, I really want to top up. If I'm waiting some money from PGB tomorrow or next day, wherever he's giving back, and I want to top up this one to 5,000 bucks. Now the bad stuff for me is I can only top up. So this one, okay, advanced cash, okay, where I use Okay, I cannot put money here in RoboForex. However, I can withdraw money to there, and from there I can withdraw to my MetaMask, as you see that. Okay, so that's very crazy. Now I can only deposit here. For me, the best way is, maybe I should try Perfect Money, I don't know. The best way for me what's work is Visa and MasterCard, and not every bank. It's only one bank here in UK. I tried 2 banks, only one work. Okay, and it is what it is. Now again, let's go back. You can see here how much money I put: 1100, and I put 500. Okay, so that's 1600, around 700 and something bucks. So okay, so now let me show you. I did a good Medium article. Go and watch this Medium article. It's 6 minutes. Okay, it's everything explained here. There are 2 links you need to know if you want to get in. First, use this link. Make sure you put the code EODA, okay, so you can join under me, because that's how it's working. That's the best way. Make sure when you click it, okay, make sure when you click, make sure you, let me see. Oh, it's going to open. Okay, doesn't matter. Make sure when you click to open account, okay, when you go right there, when you go to open account, all right, so they're a little bit tricky, so press here. I have the partner code, okay, go here, EODA, okay, that's the code, is in the description. Okay, you will be very grateful if you use it. Now, next thing what you need to do is, once you register, okay, make sure you send some money. Okay, once you send some money, then open the trading account. Okay, open some trading account, make sure it's right here, just follow, put the code there again. Okay, and then what you need to do is, you need to go to connect to the trader, Wall Street Invest. Okay, use the link right here. Again, press the link there, and you're going to connect to the trader. You just need to go to subscribe. Simple as that. Just follow everything. Make sure you click this one, it will be automatically click. Make sure you just follow the instruction right here. If you have any question, hit me on my Telegram group. All right, guys, so that's about it. You can see this is working. So on today's video, what we learn what's working for me. So advanced cash, so that's working to withdraw money from RoboForex to advanced cash. From advanced cash, I withdraw money without KYC, of course, thank you. I withdraw money to my MetaMask. Okay, now I try also to withdraw money to my bank account, and it's been 24 hours when I'm doing this video, and I'm still waiting for that money to arrive. I'm scared if I don't get them by tonight, probably will be Monday, but once I get them, I will let you know on my Telegram group. Again, if you have any question, hit me up. One of my members sent me also a new guide to copy trader right here, who making crazy profits. However, extremely risky. He's making like 5 till 7% a day, but the leverage what he's using is very risky. And maybe I will play around. I don't even mention any names. Maybe I will just put $100, but maybe not. It's just too risky, because they're trading, they're great, and one day they will lose. This guy, he says on the AMA, if he loses, it's not going to be more than 10% of the amount. So that's pretty good. All right, thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you're in or if you're not, or if you're planning to get in or not. Thank you so much. Till the next one, goodbye.